Want to design your dream room in 3D in just a few seconds without touching any complicated software? In this video, we're looking at Homestyler, a free, web-based 3D home design platform that lets you create stunning, realistic room designs right in your browser. No heavy installations or expensive computers required. Whether you're planning a quick bedroom makeover or designing a whole house from scratch, this tool makes it incredibly easy. So, how does it actually work? Homestyler breaks the process down into 3 simple steps. First, you draw or upload your floor plan. If you have a basic 2D sketch, Homestyler's AI can convert it into an editable 3D house model with just one click. Next, you decorate. You can drag and drop furniture and decor from a massive library of over 10 million realistic 3D models, featuring popular styles like Japandi, mid-century modern, and minimalist. Finally, you visualize. With their built-in cloud rendering technology, you can generate realistic, high-quality images of your design in just a few minutes. If you're worried about the learning curve, don't be. Homestyler offers over 500 templates to help you get started instantly, plus a structured 5-day learning program designed to take you from a complete beginner to a pro. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the AI-powered 2D to 3D conversion is a massive time saver, and the sheer volume of 3D furniture models gives you endless design combinations. While we don't have a large database of independent user reviews to share today, the platform does boast a high 4.8 out of 5 rating on Capterra and is trusted by over 20 million designers globally. On the flip side, because it is a cloud-based tool with high-end rendering, you will need a stable internet connection to get the best experience, and some of the premium models or faster rendering features may require a paid tier. Overall, if you want an easy visual way to bring your interior design ideas to life, Homestyler is absolutely worth trying. You can sign up for free and even grab a welcome gift on their homepage. Head over to homestyler.com to start designing your dream space today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI design tutorials, and let me know in the comments what room you're going to design first. See you in the next video.